In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning logo using just text and a few simple techniques in Photoshop. Type 2 letters using the Type tool, each on a separate layer. If you haven't already, download the font from the link in the description below. Right-click on each text layer and choose Rasterize Type. Select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar. Make a selection on the S letter, like shown on screen. Right-click the selection and choose Layer via Copy. Click on the new layer. Go to Layer Styles and choose Color Overlay. Select any color you like and press OK. Go back to the S layer. Use the rectangular marquee tool to make another selection and press the Delete key. Drag the separated parts of the S as shown, positioning them closer to the V. Use the rectangular marquee tool again to make a selection on the V layer. Pick the eraser tool and erase parts of the V as demonstrated. Use the rectangular marquee tool for another selection. Right-click and choose Layer via Copy. Hold the Control key and click on the layer thumbnail to make a selection around the object. Go to Select, Modify, Expand, and set the value to 12 pixels. Press Delete key. Then draw a rectangle using the Rectangle tool to finish off. Now hold Control key and click on this layer. Repeat the Select, Modify, Expand to 12 pixels. Click on the V layer and press Delete. Draw one last rectangle. Hide the background layer and press Ctrl plus Shift plus E to merge all visible layers. Download the mockup from the description link. Double-click on the mockup layer to open it in a new window. Drag the logo you just created into the mockup window. Hide the background layer . Close the mockup, and you're done. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new uploads. See you in the next video.